Let me show you something truly special. A Ferrari F40, the car that defined the 80s supercar era. But wait, this isn't the pristine beauty you'd expect. Oh no, this one has seen better days. By the time we're done though, it'll be hard to believe it's the same car. Trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this. Rust? Check. Cracked paint? Double check. And those headlights? They look like they've seen a bar fight they didn't win. First step, give this beauty a bath. You won't believe what's hiding under all this grime. Or maybe you don't want to see it just yet, but trust me, it gets better. Much better. Now here's the heart of the beast. A twin-turbo V8, or what's left of it. Can we save it? Stick around, because this is where the magic happens. The interior? Let's just say it smells like a mix of regret and a wet dog. But don't worry, it's about to become showroom worthy. Just wait until you see the final reveal. Sanding away decades of abuse felt like peeling an onion. Layer by layer, the original beauty starts to shine through. But wait until you see it with fresh paint. Boom! Bright Rosso Corsa red, Ferrari's signature color. It's already looking like a dream, but we're not done yet. Now, here's where things get serious. That twin-turbo V8, it's been completely rebuilt. When it fires up for the first time, let's just say, you don't want to miss it. The transformation is nearly complete. Are you ready to see what happens when this beast roars back to life? And here it is, a Ferrari F40 that went from forgotten to unforgettable. But there's one thing left to do. Let's hear that engine roar. Did you hear that? That is the sound of a legend reborn. Worth the wait? You tell me, this car isn't just a restoration, it's a resurrection. Every curve, every roar, every detail. It's a reminder of why we fell in love with cars in the first place. Restoring the Ferrari F40 wasn't easy, but seeing it back on the road, absolutely worth every second. So, what do you think? Was this journey worth the wait? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, this is just the beginning. See you next time.